Gravity, Unit 5.2. In this chapter, we'll be learning about gravity. Look at this picture of the Earth. Now talk to a friend about these countries you can see on the Earth's picture. Why do people living in these countries near the bottom of the picture do not fall off the Earth? People living in countries near the bottom of this picture do not fall off the Earth because gravity pulls everything towards the center of the Earth. Which way is down? The Earth's gravity is a force that pulls the objects towards the center of the Earth. Now, as you can see in the picture, each and every human being standing on any place across the surface, they do not fall off when the Earth is circular. This is because the gravity pulls them towards the center of the Earth. The center is only at one point, so that's why the position of any object or human being does not matter. If a pencil falls down, it means the pencil is being attracted by gravity towards the center of the Earth. Questions. In which direction do things fall? Things fall down towards the center of the Earth. What is the force that pulls things towards the center of the Earth? It's gravity. Gravity is the only force that pulls all the objects towards the center of the Earth. Why do things not fall off the Earth? Things do not fall off the Earth because gravity pulls them towards the center of the Earth. Here's a small activity that you can do at this very instant. Take two objects. One should be a little bit lighter and another one heavier compared to the first object. Both the objects need to be dropped from the same height to make this a fair test. We need to find out, do heavier objects fall faster or does the lighter objects fall faster? During this investigation, stay safe by making sure nothing is underneath the objects when they are dropped. Do not drop very heavy objects. Drop the objects onto the cushion to make sure the floor and the objects do not get damaged.